In some cases, it may be necessary to implement response restriction or stimulus fading in order to teach the client that when the reinforcers are on the S delta component, they are not available to be requested. Proloquo2Go has a couple options for which you can be able to do this. The first is to implement response restriction by hiding the FCR button. To do this, you can select the pencil icon down here at the bottom right. And then you can choose the FCR button that you would like to hide, which is this truck button here. And under Appearance, you can scroll and select Visibility, and you can select Hidden, and then select Done at the top right. And this will hide the FCR button completely. Another method that you could employ to teach the child to discriminate that reinforcers are not available on the S delta component is stimulus fading. Proloquo2Go has a couple options for stimulus fading. To do this, you can select the pencil icon down here at the bottom right and select the FCR button which you would like to fade. So you can select this button here. One method is to hide its visibility or dim its visibility. So you can do this here under Appearance by selecting Visibility and selecting Dimmed, and then select Done. As you can see, it will make the FCR button a bit more transparent and more difficult to see. It's also an option on Proloquo2Go to implement a more progressive steps of stimulus fading. So to do that, you can change the background color of the FCR button in sequential steps. So to do this, you can select the pencil button down here at the bottom right and select the FCR button which you would like to change. So I'm first going to start under Appearance here with background color. And I could first start with a first step by selecting red, which matches the same color as my S delta. And then I can also change my border color from white to red. Next, if you would like to progressively make the FCR button more salient or different than the background color, you can choose to implement different sequences of the color. So select the pencil down here at the bottom right, select the FCR button that you would like to change, and under background color, I can change my color to maybe this next color here, and then select Done. I can progressively change these colors to where they become a bit more salient. So then eventually I might be able to choose this color, and you can also change your border color. And then finally, you may want to make your FCR button completely white. And so you can do this again by changing the background color here and changing your border color back to white and selecting Done.